Today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up my fingerprint recognition here, and as can you see now I can unblock the device with my fingerprint. And now I'll make 5 tries to unblock the device, and we will see how fast and useful this feature is. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the fingerprint scanner works normally. Just we can just with a really simple touch to unlock the device. So I just don't use a lot of power to press the button. I just simply touch that. So I think that's this unlock method works fast. And if you don't like, for example, some unlock methods like the passcodes, pin codes, you can try to use the fingerprint unlock, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pattern or pin code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.